for apron. Colorful apron. Apron. B for bee. Busy bee. B. C for corn. Sweet corn. C. Corn. D for deer. Happy deer. D. Deer. E for envelope. Flying envelope. F for feather. Soft feather. F. G for globe. Amazing globe. H for hen. Happy hen. H. Hen. I for ice. Cold ice. Ice. J for jar. Candy jar. J. Jar. K. Kitchen. K for kitchen. Happy kitchen. L for lock. Golden lock. L. Lock.
M for man. Friendly man. Man.
N for nut. Little nut. N for nut. O for oil. Shiny oil. O. Oil. P for pencil. Writing pencil. P. Pencil. Q for quarter. Shiny quarter. Q. Quarter. R. Ruler. R for ruler. Long ruler. S for sand. Beach sand. S. Sand. T for tent. Camping tent. T. Tent.
U for uncle. Hello, uncle. U for uncle.
V. Voice. V for voice. Beautiful voice.
W for whale. Big whale. W. Whale. X for Xmas tree. Merry Xmas tree. Xmas tree.
Y for yes. Y. Z for zigzag. Zigzag path. Z. Zigzag.